Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss some amazing passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom. So if you are ready to learn how to make money while you sleep, let's get started. Number 1. Rental properties. Investing in rental properties can be a fantastic source of passive income. By purchasing a property and renting it out, you can generate monthly cash flow and build equity over time. Just make sure to do your research, find a good location, and have a reliable property manager in place. Number 2. Dividend investing. Dividend investing involves buying stocks from companies that regularly pay dividends. These dividends are a portion of the company's profits that are distributed to shareholders. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn a consistent stream of passive income while also benefiting from potential stock price appreciation. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in need. You earn interest on your loan, which can provide a steady passive income stream. Just be sure to diversify your loans to minimize risk and choose reputable lending platforms. Number 4. Creating an online course. If you have expertise in a specific area, consider creating an online course. Platforms like Udemy allow you to share your knowledge and earn passive income from course sales. Once you create the course, it can generate income for years to come with minimal ongoing effort. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. You can start by partnering with companies through affiliate networks like Amazon, Associates, or ClickBank. By creating valuable content and driving traffic to your affiliate links, you can earn passive income whenever someone makes a purchase. Number 6. Starting a YouTube channel. Did you know that YouTube can be a platform for generating passive income? By creating engaging and valuable content, growing your subscriber base, and monetizing your channel through ads and sponsorships, you can earn passive income from the views and interactions on your videos. Just be consistent, find your niche, and focus on providing value to your audience. And there you have it, our top 6 passive income ideas for financial freedom. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort upfront, but it can provide you with a more secure and flexible financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.